Your company is in a very good position, that would seem, in terms of the coconut water market with 46% market share. When I see numbers like that, though, I think you've only got one way to go, which is down, given I would assume there's a lot of competition coming. So are you banking on the market itself increasing dramatically, or do you really think you can continue to gain market share?
We'll continue to gain market share, but more importantly, we're bringing in new consumers. 66% of our growth this year is coming from new consumers coming into the category. And that's what's driving the growth. That's what we're really excited about as we continue to also gain market share, going from 42% last year to 46% this year.
And what gives you the confidence you can go from 46% to, I would assume, as much as half the market at some point?
Well, we started this business and built it over time with competitors, Coke and Pepsi. We've pushed them out of the market through pure strength and through our supply chain skills. And by being able to push them out of the market, we're now, I would say, unshackled, and we're moving this thing forward. And we have the ability to grow even faster because we are now the category captains and the category leaders of this category. And as we build our broader portfolio of beverage brands, we're seeing incredible growth. The business is up 17% year to date, and we continue to accelerate growth moving into Q3.
You pushed Coke and Pepsi out due to your supply chain skills. My thoughts would be that those two companies are pretty good at supply chain. What are you doing better?
They're pretty bad at cracking coconuts. I mean, they're amazing at supply chain, but working in the tropical world, we're buying coconuts from thousands upon thousands of small family farms today. And historically, the coconut water was a byproduct. We've put in the infrastructure and built partnerships with these local communities that are helping them thrive and giving us the ability to access the coconut water, which is a major barrier to entry and definitely a barrier to scalability in the coconut water category.
So, Mike, I know it's not just coconut water for the company anymore either. How are you viewing expansion? What are the other types of, I guess, beverage markets, natural beverage markets that you see great growth opportunities in?
Yeah, as we look at the business, we're focused on a few things. First and foremost, it's continuing to drive the great growth that we're seeing in Vita Coco coconut water. We're one of the fastest growing brands in the beverage aisle today, and we're becoming a household staple across the US, Europe, and even China. In addition to that, we've introduced new brands. For example, Power Lift, which is a sport drink that actually is no sugar and has protein, 10 grams of protein. So it's taking sport drinks to a whole new level. The same thing with Runa, our energy drink. It's a plant-based energy drink. We grew this guayusa leaf, which when brewed actually has more caffeine than a Monster or Red Bull, and it's just a single plant-based ingredient. Consumers today want healthy, plant-based, functional ingredients in their products, and that's what we're building, and that's what we're really excited about.
Mike, those efforts suggest that there's always going to be a search for something that seems kind of new, somewhat better, novel. I mean, I see stuff about how cactus water might be preferable to coconut water in some areas. How much of a risk is that to the core, kind of sustainability brand-wise of coconut water?
Look, we started this business 17 years ago with a dream of bringing coconut water from Brazil to New York as an alternative to artificial sport drinks. Since then, we've built Vita Coco into one of the leading healthy hydration companies in the world. And we think that we can continue to drive that growth between our scale, our routes to market, our competitive insights and industry insights and so on. We believe that we can continue to be the leader in healthy hydration. And over the long run, by giving consumers of this generation more of what they want, more of the good stuff and less of the bad, we believe that we could be one of the largest and most impactful beverage companies in the world. That's our objective. Public markets gives us a platform to be able to do that.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.